That satisfying feeling of watching a clump of dog hair get lifted off a velvet couch in one smooth motion is exactly what these viral ads are selling you. It is hypnotic. You see this black glove, the so-called magic brush, and it looks like the ultimate fix for your shedding nightmare. They tell you it uses special bristles and static electricity to grab fur instantly, trapping it in the mesh until you rinse it away. It is supposedly made of high-quality, durable cloth. They say it fits any hand perfectly and is about the size of a standard notebook. Every order is supposed to be a double pack. It sounds like a practical tool for every pet owner, but the moment you look past the glossy website, things get very strange, very fast. First of all, let's talk about the look of it. This glove looks exactly like the generic ones you see in discount bins for a few dollars. The company markets it as a premium, high-end solution, but buyers are pointing out that the quality just isn't there. It feels like a massive markup for a basic item. Then there is the reviews situation, which is a huge red flag. The official page boasts over 10,000 five-star ratings, making it look like the most trusted product on earth. That is a lot of happy customers. But when you step outside that curated bubble, the story changes completely. On independent platforms, the feedback is a sea of disappointment. Real customers are calling it a total letdown. They say it barely picks up a single hair from their carpet or car seats. Others claim it works far worse than a simple damp cloth. The trouble does not stop with the product itself. The refund process sounds like a genuine nightmare. They promise a money-back guarantee in big, bold letters, but try getting them to actually honor it. People are being told they have to record video evidence of themselves using the brush and failing to pick up hair. That is an absurd hurdle to jump through just to get your money back, even after sending the proof. Many people say the company just stops responding, or they claim the brush only works on specific, smooth surfaces. That is a direct contradiction to the ads showing it cleaning carpets and thick upholstery. It is a classic bait and switch. Shipping is another mess altogether. You order the special buy one, get one deal, and only one glove shows up in the mail. Some people report waiting months for a package that never arrives, while their tracking says it was delivered weeks ago. If you try to call for help, you might find the phone number is dead. If you email, you get a generic response or just total silence. It is a frustrating cycle of being ghosted after they already have your hard-earned cash. Even the photos on the site look like they were copied from other websites. It makes you wonder if anything about this brand is actually original. The mesh wears out quickly, the bristles lose their grip, and the promise of a hair-free home vanishes. You are better off sticking to a standard lint roller or a trusted brand from a local shop. Do not let the slick video editing fool you into a bad purchase. Your pets might be messy, but this sales tactic is even messier, and your wallet deserves better than a cheap glove with a premium price tag.